So before you go, one more question.
Yes.
So, I sent message regarding Japanese order.
Yes.
So the thing with that is, I, I think I have opened it. Just one second. Can you see my screen? This screen.
Yes, I can.
So do you see city and suburb option is in Japanese?
Yes.
So there was no way I could select the city given by customer. So it was very hard.
Oh,
So how do you deal with it? So another purchase I have similar with the socks, transparent socks.
So
It
what
was
I
from
do,
yep.
I'll click the drop down.
Yeah.
I'll do a screenshot of the drop down,
Mm.
send it to the customer and ask them to circle it for me.
And the thing is, customer don't reply most of the time. They have this weird email address and they don't reply.
If the customer don't reply, then just hold onto the money
Mm.
until they do.
Okay. Luckily, I had one friend from Japan, so he helped me out with this.
Yeah,
But
yeah. That's another solution. You could literally copy the address, put it onto like either Google Translate or go to those Japanese forum. Be like, hey, can you please help me find what address this is because I want to ship it to my friend's house.
yeah, that's what I said, and finally I figured it out. But I was just wondering, how do you fix this kind of problems?
So those will be the solutions. One,
Yep.
figure it out through some online translator.
Mm.
Two, do the drop down of the options that AliExpress offers and send that to the customer and ask them to circle the address.
Mm.
Or three, copy the address and send it, go to some Japanese online forum, Japanese groups, and be like,
Mm.
hey, I'm trying to ship it to my friend's address. This is his address. I
Mm.
can't seem to locate it on
Mm.
AliExpress. Can you help me out? So those will be the three solutions.
Okay. Yeah.